Hey guys, it's Brandon here, Family Tree Contracting. I just wanted to show homeowners something that they might not know. So I know you can see the chalk lines, maybe, and if you can you see where the shingles have wind damage? Or over here, let me scoot up. See the chalk lines? But you really can't tell that they're damaged. That's why you need somebody to get up on your roof. And so, oh, hell damage to the gutter. But someone get up on your roof. It's a little bit too wet right now to look for real good hail, but check it out. See, you can see these ones are all coming up. They have a nail pulled through. This one's even coming in the opposite direction. And then you go up to these. So when the wind's coming up this elevation, flapping with rain, it could go in there. Now, I gotta go out here. Give me a second. Now, you can see this one is torn. That's not good. These things you can't see from the ground. This one's gonna leak. I'm gonna do something about that now. These are things that you need someone to get on your roof and look at. If you need someone to look at yours, call me today, 918-703-3735.